guys, it is a month after the last video that you guys just saw. I know, I've been away. A lot has happened since the last time, or like since the last vlog that you guys just saw. We ended up moving back home. We ended up coming back home for good reason. We just, you know, we missed it here. We missed our family, we missed our friends, or Grecia's friends, just family in general. And we were so lonely over there, and we just thought, let's just go back home, which is exactly what we did. And we've been so happy here so far. I've literally been like spending so much time with my family, with Bert's family, enjoying just living in the moment and, you know, stress-free and stuff. Thank God that everything has been going great. And yeah, Grecia and I today are going to the library. It is Monday, June 23rd today, and I told her yesterday that we would get ready in the morning. It's already 11. That we would go to the public library so that she can check out books, get a library card here. I know she has one with my mom, but I want to get my own just so that I can take her by myself and stuff. So that's what we're gonna do.
We were not at home.
Oh wow, so my mom apparently lost it. But I want to do that and then go get some like groceries or something for us to make food for us to eat today. And like I don't know why, like I want ceviche so bad, so I want to get this stuff to make shrimp. And then this evening I'm going to go for a walk with my sister. But I am so happy to finally be home.
And me.
Yeah, Grecia's gonna go with us on our walk today also. I just got here, following mom's footsteps. Yeah, you just have to look for them.
I just feel like say the sheep. Says the sheep, it's me, it's me.
Oh, old black fly. I'll take this one.
How many would that be?
4.
Sure. I like this one, but it's not Halloween. Oh, this is Little Blue Chuck series. I'll take this one and one more.
She's got her books. We just pulled up to Border Town because I'm on the hunt for some chicken wings. That's what I'm in the mood for. And then I also want to make enchiladas, so we'll see if I can find all of the fixings for that. And she got her 5 books. Like, she was already reading them, and I was like, girl, you're supposed to wait because I want to listen to you read. So let's get off here at the border. Thank you. You too.
Actually, you get 36.
I see.
Then, baby. And you get 36 packs.
Okay.
It comes 16 sandwiches and 12 bars.
$18.93 and yours.
Thank you. You too. Alrighty, so we are home. I just got a stock of cilantro, cebolla, celery, some strawberry yogurt, some salsa verde for the encilantrada, some tomatillos, some chicken wings that I'm gonna make for Grecia right now, and I'm also gonna start cooking the chicken breast for the encilantrada. Grecia is sitting here reading books while I cook us some lunch. I've got the chicken, the onion, and everything else in boiling water. I have done encilantrada so many times. I've done it time and time again on here on my channel, so I will see if I can find the link and then link that video down below. It's like a step-by-step on how I make it, but it is so good. It's my favorite food of all time and Grecia's favorite also, so I make it quite often, and we really like to eat it with santitas with these chips right here. So good, so good. So yeah, that's what we're gonna be doing. I will see you guys. Alrighty, this is the finished product. Encilantrada, chicken and salsa, and a Sprite Zero. Yum. Alright, so it is already 5:55 in the afternoon. It's been a long time since you guys saw me eating lunch, but Grecia and I are gonna go for a walk. We're actually gonna pick up my sister. She's gonna go with us. And I put on my running shoes and we're gonna just take off, because before we moved back, I was walking 5 miles a day and it was heavenly. It was very good for my mental health, and I noticed a significant amount of change, but I didn't keep up with it because that's when we decided to come back home for the summer. What was going to be just coming home for the summer turned into staying here forever. So, or not forever, but for now, for the next couple years, I think we'll be here. And so I stopped, and I have yet to sign up for the gym. I'm fixing up the courage to sign up for the gym and sign up for Pilates, like I mentioned in the last video. I've already talked to several of my friends about it, and everyone's like, just sign up, just come, whatever, but I have not mustered up the courage to actually go out and do it. But for now, I do want to start walking every single day the way that I was. I feel like it was helping me. I really enjoyed it. It was my time, and I'm just gonna start off with that and see how it goes from there. But Grecia's in the bathroom. I'm gonna wait for her to get out. The truck is already on, cooling down, or whatever you want to call that. And we're gonna take off to the park and see how long we can run for or walk. Start off by walking. Don't start killing yourself right away. Just walk at a steady pace. But before, I was doing at least 10K steps before lunchtime, which was amazing for me. So we'll see how many steps I can do today. I'll keep you guys posted.
Hi.
We made it.
Say hi to my dog. Okay, Manina could not record it.
Well, thanks for outing me. It is so hot. But it's windy at the same time, so it's not, it doesn't feel that bad.
Nothing bad.
Gracias. Okay. Just finished on our walk. Hi. And we came to pick up some chicken bowls at Cool Breeze. I don't know if it's the color or what that throws me off, because I was so used to the black one.
What's wrong with the color?
I don't know. I feel like it looks weird from, like, this looks weird. The front looks weird. It looks very round.
My tongue's blue.
It's supposed to. This dinner. Alrighty guys, so I just got home and I just got out of the shower, which is why I look like this, but I'm going to do my skincare really quick. I did go to Sephora the other day and I bought quite a few things. I got the Laneige cream skin toner and moisturizer, lip sleeping mask.
I'll go to the kitchen.
I got the bouncy and firm eye sleeping mask.
So I don't bother you.
Okay. Also this water bank kit, or like this water bank set, not a kit, a set that comes with the cream, the toner, the serum, and the cleansing foam. I haven't been using the toner, the serum, and the cleansing foam. I literally only bought this for the cream, and it's the full size one. It does look like this, and this original price by itself was $38, and with the whole set it was $42. So make it make sense. Of course I was going to buy everything else, so I'm gonna do my skincare with you guys right quick. The last thing I got was this Kiehl's Ultra Facial Cream. So the first thing I do is start off with my toner, which is this one. Just apply this all over my face with my hands, because I feel like when you apply it with your hands it just goes on better than with a cotton round, because I know that everything is like attaching to my face. It already feels so good. And then I go in with my water bank. This is just a moisturizer. That on, and this is literally going to give you glass skin, you guys. You guys can already see how hydrated my skin is looking. Then I'm gonna go in with the eye cream, and this literally is like a gel. It's so bouncy. Look at that. And it's like a cooling sensation. It feels so good. I'm gonna pat that on. Oh, it feels so good. Oh, it feels cold. Ultra face cream. This is the second to last step. Then the last step is the lip sleeping mask. I got this one in Gummy Bear. I also have the pink one, but I forgot what that flavor is. I think it's berry. Now I look all glossy with a glass skin. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog, and we will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.